This lesson is 13.5. It's on problem solving and finding the area. So these are real life situations where you have to find the area of something and then take part of it out to make it realistic. So in number 1, they were talking about a room that has a wooden floor and there was a rug on it. They needed to find how many square feet of the wood that the floor was not, that still shows. So this darker area on number 1. So that's what they needed to find. So they needed to find the total area and then take out the white rectangle, which was the area of the rug. We're going to go ahead and do number 2 and number 4. Number 2 says, a rectangle, let's everyone read it. Ready? Go. A rectangular wall has a square window as shown in the diagram. What is the area of the wall not including the window? So we have to find the total area of the wall. When we look for area, we do area model, this times that, or the base times the height. So what is the base of our total wall?
14.
14 what? Feet. So we're going to do 14 feet. And what is the height?
8 feet.
8 feet. Good. So we're going to find that area by multiplying both of those. So 8 times 4 is what? 32. And regroup the 3. And then we do 8 times 1 is 8 plus 3 is 11. So we have 112 total square feet for the whole wall. But again, we're not going to paint over the window. So we need to find the area of the window. What is the base of the window? 4. And what is the height of the window? 4. So 4 times 4 is 16. And we're going to take that away so we don't paint the window. So when we take it away, we subtract. So we're going to subtract 16. Can we take 6 from 2? No. So we'll take a 10 from that. That becomes 0. And the 10 we took away, we add to the 2, and that's 12 now. So 12 minus 6 is 6. And then 0 minus 1, can we do it? No. So we're going to take that 10 from the 1. That becomes a 10. And so 10 minus 1 is 96. So the answer is 96 square feet. Yes. Why is it square? Yeah, it's the area, everything inside that. So now we're going to look at number 4. I don't have a lot of space to work, so I'm going to work over here on this right side. Let's read it together and do cube. Okay, ready and go. A rectangular painting is 24 inches wide and 20 inches tall without the frame. With the frame, it is 28 inches wide and 24 inches tall. What is the area of the frame not covered by the painting? So I'm going to draw a picture over here just so I can have a visual. Then I can label it. So without the frame, so we've got 2 in here, right? There, this is the frame. And, okay, so the bigger one we have to look at. So with the frame, it's 28 inches wide and 24 inches tall. So with the frame, this is going to be the outside part. So we have 28 inches wide and 24 inches tall. Without the frame, it's 24 inches wide. Let's see if I can fit this in here. 24 inches wide and 20 inches tall. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay. So what is the area of the frame not covered by the painting? So it looks like they have the frame and then they put the painting on top of it. Okay? So let's find our total area. Everyone think of what to do and say.
Multiply.
Multiply what?
24 times 20.
Yes, 28 times 24. Very good. So first go. 8 times 4 is?
32.
Regroup the 3, then go.
Over.
4 times 2 is,
8.
plus 3 is,
11.
add the,
0.
then go.
Over.
8 times 2 is 16. Regroup the 1, then go up. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. So that gets us 2 plus 0 is 2. 6 plus 1 is 5 plus 1 is 6. Now we have to find that inner area. So we're going to multiply what two numbers?
24 times 20.
I love 20 because it's 2 tens. And anytime you have a 10, you put a 0 at the end. So I'm just going to do 24 times 2. So 4 times 2 is 8. And 2 times 2 is 4. Very good. Okay, so now I have 480 and I have 672. Let's subtract 480 because we're taking it out. 2 minus 0 is 2. Can we take 8 from 7? No, so we have to take that 10 from the 6 and add that 10 to the 7. So 17 minus 8 is what? 9. And then 5 minus 4 is 1. So we have 192.
Square inches.
Very good. Am I going to accept this if you just wrote the answer?
No.
Nope, we'll mark it wrong. So you need to make sure to show your work. You guys can do this. Just take it a step at a time. You've got all of the steps to do this. Okay, ready, go.